Hot Wheels Pantone Mix 2 is here, but does it live up to Mix 1? Let's find out. Hey collectors, welcome back to the Collectiverse. Today we have the Hot Wheels Silver Series Pantone Mix 2. Compared to Mix 1, this is a very weak mix in my opinion, but nevertheless we are gonna unbox each one of them. We are gonna take a closer look, and I would really like to hear your thoughts about this mix in the comments. So let's start with the first one. This is the 2020 Toyota Tacoma. Not a bad start in my opinion in terms of the color. It's Pantone 574. It's more like an army green color that looks really good to me. In my opinion, this is not that bad. Here you can see from the inside of the package, and at the back you have all the 6 cars. Let's take it out of the package now. Here you can take a closer look. I actually do like this one quite a bit. Yeah, because I do like army green personally, so green is one of my most favorite colors. So this one looks really good. And if you are a truck fan who collects, Hot Wheel trucks, then definitely you can add it to your collection. The wheels go really well with the body. Here in the chassis you can see some writings, not much detail here, so that's that. Overall not bad start, but yeah, let's see how the others are looking. At number 2 we have the 1969 Volkswagen Squareback. I wouldn't say that I hate it, but yeah, it's really not my cup of tea. Let me know if you agree or disagree. Here you can take a look. There are some details here. Yeah, let's take it out of the package. Well, it's a green, but yeah, I like the color on this one, but not the car itself. I don't know how they chose all these cars for this mix, but yeah, this one is really a miss. The wheels are very basic as well. The body itself, I don't know. It's really not my cup of tea. I do like the interior details. Here, maybe you can see. But yeah, there's nothing much to talk about this one. Yeah, the headlights have some details, so does the tail light. Not much, but there are something. Here are the details about the car. Pantone 2304, that's the code for this color. Let me know, how do you like this one? Next we got Rally Finale. I think this is a fantasy car. I don't think this one really exists, and the color might just be the worst one of these 6 cars. I could be wrong, and my opinion might differ from yours, but yeah, do share your opinions in the comments. I would like to see how this mix is received in the community. Here you can take a closer look. Not bad, but yeah, this might be the worst car in this mix. Pantone 2404. I mean, comparing this with the mix 1, I mean, yeah, it's really disappointing. I don't have much to say about this. Do share your thoughts in the comments. The number 4 car in the mix is Sandblaster. This is Pantone 4515. Well, comparing the other two that we just saw, this is a definite upgrade. Not bad. I do like the print on the side and in the front. So let's take a closer look at this one. So first of all, this is another truck in the mix, so the second truck in the mix, so that's not a bad thing. I do like collecting trucks, so this is good. The wheels are okay. I think comparing to this, I do like the wheels on this one better. Let me know which one you prefer. As I said, I do like these prints on the side and in the front. It gives the car that, you know, off-roading vibe, so that's really great. The interior color matches with the color on the body. That really goes with this Pantone theme. There are some details at the back, not bad. Yep, I would add this truck to my collection, not a bad one. Next we have the Land Rover Defender 90. I actually do like this one. The color is okayish, but I do like this model. This color is Pantone 7504. This one is very well detailed. Here is a look at the back and the front. The chassis is okay. Let's take a closer look at it. Here you go, we got the Land Rover Defender. The front lights are pretty well detailed. You have the Pantone code over here. Overall, I do like this one, and as I said, yeah, I like the model of the casting better than the color. So yeah, let me know your thoughts on this one as well. Not bad. Some detailing on the tail lights as well. No details on the chassis, but yeah, that's pretty much expected. The Hot Wheels logo is here. It's a subtle detail that I do like. And this got the mirrors. So yeah, overall well detailed in my opinion. It's just the color on this one is not that great, but yeah, I do like this casting. And the last one, number 6, is 1967 Ford Bronco. This is Pantone 175. I do like this color actually. Yeah, I do like this color. Here are some details. Let's take a closer look at it. In general, I'm really bad with the colors, so I don't know what is the exact name of this color, but this is brown, chocolate brown to me. Let me know if you know the exact name of this color. I do like the details on the side here. It has the code on the side and on the top of the hood, on this side as well, so like 3 times. Cool, I guess. Ford at the back, not bad. I would definitely add it to my collection, and yeah, I definitely like this color. So there are 2 Jeeps, this one the Land Rover and the Ford Bronco. I would prefer this one actually over this because of the color alone. The wheels are, I think, identical. Yeah, it's the same wheels. Let me know your thoughts if you preferred this one or this one. Yeah, just for the color, I would prefer this one over the Land Rover. And yeah, not bad. Definitely addable to the collection. So that's the total unboxing of this Mix 2. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Which one is your favorite? If I really have to rank, I would rank the Ford Bronco as number 1. Number 2 would be Toyota Tacoma. Number 3 would be this one. Number 4. 5 would be Volkswagen, and this is number 6. Let me know in the comments if you'd agree with my ranking. The way I ranked is based on the models and the color combination. If you have any other criteria, do let me know. As always, thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned with MK Collectiverse to watch more unboxing and updates on the new releases. Like and share this video. Subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.